You are watching me, Neeta Bhasin, on Manna TV. We have started the celebration of Diwali from the Consulate of India, where we are hosting a press conference. And on October 30th, we want to see all of you in your ethnic outfit at Times Square on October 30th at 1 p.m. From 1 p.m. to 9 p.m., we have so much entertainment for you. Colors of India, Light Up Times Square concert, and the lighting ceremony from the tallest tower of Times Square. It will be going live, so be part of this historic festival on October 30th from 1 p.m. onwards. And if you get the COVID test done in 60 seconds, you will get $5 coupon to get the snacks or food towards that. So we would like to see you all. Don't worry if somebody is saying it's going to rain. So what? Because on Times Square on December 31st, millions of people come over there and they don't even care if it's a rain or it's a snow or it's a minus-degree temperature. So this rain is not going to stop you, and we have a range of some raincoats anyway. So we'll see you all on October 30th at Times Square.
Good evening. Today is 27th October. The Diwali on Times Square team is hosting this event, a media event at the Indian Consulate to promote Diwali on Times Square, which is being hosted on Times Square on 30th October. It is a very prestigious event. This event is one of the biggest festivals celebrated outside India, and it's a proud event for all Indians here in the US and all over the world. As you know, Times Square is one of the signature destinations in the world, and showcasing one of biggest festival of India in Times Square is a matter of great pride for all Indians. And on behalf of this team, I am on the advisory committee. I do look forward to the support from the Indian diaspora here and the Indian community. And I thank all the sponsors, the media, and the people who have supported this for coming here tonight. And I look forward to seeing every one of you on 30th in Times Square. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. We at American Airlines are extremely fortunate and excited to be a part of this Diwali event. We're very fortunate to be sponsoring this Diwali event, and we wish all your viewers a very happy Diwali in India and in the United States. Actually, this Diwali actually coincides very closely with the launch of American Airlines flight to India. We are very soon connecting JFK to New Delhi. After that, we're connecting Seattle to Bangalore. We are also very excited to announce that American Airlines just signed a codeshare agreement with Indigo in India, which is going to give a lot of outlet to a lot of inroads and gates to a lot of corporate and leisure traffic in India, and to expand our gate network in India. So once again, a very happy Diwali to all the viewers of American Airlines. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Virendra Bansal from State Bank of India in New York. We are part of this Diwali at Times Square. We're quite excited about it. And we have been sponsoring any Indian event which happens here, and hope to get more opportunities like this. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Hi everyone, we are the Jakaria sisters. I'm Omika.
I'm Ashika.
And I'm Rishika. And we will be dancing this Saturday in Times Square for Diwali.
We're so excited to be bringing both our Indian heritage and our American culture to the stage in Times Square. We grew up in Brooklyn, New York, so this is our hometown, so we're just so excited to be performing for our home crowd. And happy Diwali, everyone.
We will be doing a versatile dance with a lot of different dance styles combined, and we hope to see you all there in person or virtually. We're really thrilled, really looking forward to this Saturday and celebrating Diwali with everyone. Happy Diwali, we hope to see you there.
Yeah, hi, my name is Tanveer Panita Chandra and I'm from Renaissance Media. We feel very honored and privileged to get this opportunity to promote ShopRite in the South Asian community. And we cannot deny the fact that South Asian community is very, very important, and mainstream is realizing that importance right now. And we feel honored to represent ShopRite in this market, and we have introduced ShopRite in the South Asian market. We have done a couple of events in the past. We have sponsored India Day Parade, Pakistan Day Parade, and also we have done couple day event at one of the location for the ShopRite. And now we are sponsoring and really excited to sponsor this event at Times Square, New York City. New York City is fun, Times Square is amazing. And thanks to Neetaji, thanks to Event Guru for bringing this for us and promoting this culture to the next generation, I would say. And as all of you know, that Diwali is about removing the darkness from your hearts and bringing light and lightening up your hearts with love and affection. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Bahut bahut Mubarak ho.
Yes, my name is Tariq Sohail. I'm here representing Northland. Northland is the world's largest miniature wonderland. It's an attraction. It's a museum that you walk through and then you see the exhibits on the display. And from Northlands to everybody, happy Diwali.
I am Sunil Hali, publisher and promoter of Radio Zindagi, The Indian Eye, and Divya Bhaskar. I'm here at the Indian Consulate in New York today on an amazing historical event, which is to kick off the biggest event that we do during Diwali. It's called Diwali at Times Square, and hats off to this lady, Neeta Bhasin. Obviously, we all know her, but I'm very, very close to the family. 30 years of a journey, which is worth being documented probably in a book or in a movie. This lady always has conceptualized something which is extraordinary, and which is what will unfold on 30th of October at Times Square. Just imagine the whole world, probably half of the world knows about Times Square. And Times Square is known for its lighting, illumination, the life. This place never sleeps.
Hi, my name is Sway Manjeet Bhatia, better known as Sway Bhatia, and I'm going to be performing October 30th at Times Square to celebrate Diwali. I'll be singing with a band. Their band name is Chasing Paragon. We are so excited. We're going to be doing a fun set with Hindi songs and American songs, and we can't wait for you guys to hear us.
My name is Trilok Malik. Happy Diwali to everyone.
Hi, my name is Dr. Hetal Gaur. I'm practicing board certified OBGYN and medical director of Better You Medical Spa. I'm on the advisory board of Diwali at Times Square, and we are so excited because October 30th, we're going to celebrate Diwali like no other festival here. Diwali at Times Square is the only second event which happens in Times Square. Like New Year's Ball, Diwali at Times Square is inviting everybody to celebrate Diwali and the New Year which follows Diwali. So hope to see you all there. It's going to be filled with fun-filled activities, performances. So see you there.